Hello, everyone. Happy to see you here. Welcome to our channel. This is Team Stance, and today the topic of our video is going to be about introducing yourself as a developer. That's our lesson one. So let's discuss what exactly are you going to learn today. You will learn how to introduce yourself confidently as a developer, technical professional in English. You will learn 10 key vocabulary words for professional tech introductions. You will learn some grammar, present simple for stable facts and present continuous for current projects. And of course, you will learn how to describe your role, team, and what you're currently building. And на правах реклами ви можете знайти цей воркшіт і набагато більше іншого освітнього класного контенту в нашому телеграм-каналі та інших соцмережах, який називається 10 Stance. І ви можете побачити QR-код на екрані і відсканувати його для того, аби приєднатися. So, let's actually start with vocabulary. Developer. Developer is someone who writes and builds software. I work as a full stack developer at a fintech startup. Engineer. Engineer, that's a technical specialist who designs or builds systems. She's a backend engineer responsible for the API layer. Stack. Stack is a set of technologies used to build a product. Our stack is React on the front end and Node.js on the back end, or Node.js. Language. Language, that's a programming language used to write code. I mainly work in Python and occasionally use Go. Framework. A pre-built structure that helps developers build faster. We use Django as our main backend framework. Currently working on. What you're building and doing right now. I'm currently working on a new authentication module. Responsible for. The area or tasks you're in charge of. I'm responsible for the backend API and database layer. Contribute to. To add work or ideas to a project or database. I contribute to 2 open source projects in my spare time. Team. The group of people you work with. Our team has 5 developers, 2 QA engineers, and a PM. Remote. Working from a location other than the shared office. I work fully remote from Lviv. And a little pro tip for you in English. In English-speaking tech teams, nobody says my job is a programmer. The natural phrasing would be I work as a developer, I'm a software engineer. Always try to add your specialization. Front end, back end, full stack, DevOps, or what you're currently working on. This immediately gives people context and starts a real conversation. And as for grammar, what exactly do we have in here? We have present simple and present continuous. Present simple, we use it for stable facts about your role. We use present simple for things that are always true. I work as a backend developer. I specialize in Python. Our team uses Agile with 2 weeks sprints. I'm responsible for the data pipeline. We build B2B software as a service products for the logistics sector. Yeah. Present continuous we use to describe what is happening exactly right now at this current moment. We use it to describe what you are doing now or in this period. I'm currently working on a payment integration. We are migrating the database. I'm contributing to an internal tool. Our team is building a new admin dashboard. I'm learning Rust in my spare time. Yeah, all of these things happen right now or in this moment, like this week, this month. Yeah. And here is a little model introduction. Hi, I'm Bogdan. I work as a full stack developer at a Kyiv-based startup. My main language is JavaScript. I specialize in React on the front end and Node.js on the back end. I'm responsible for the client-facing part of our software as a service platform. Right now, I'm working on a new notification system and helping migrate our legacy codebase to TypeScript. Our team is fully remote. We have devs in Kyiv, Lviv, and Warsaw. I also contribute to an open source component library in my spare time. Please note these things. I work, I specialize, I'm responsible. Those are all present simple for stable role. I'm working on, we are migrating, I'm helping. Those are all present continuous. And of course, we use a lot of tech vocabulary. And watch out for some common mistakes. I am work as a developer. You don't really need to say that. Work in this case, that's an action, a verb. So I work as a developer. We do not use am, is, are before a main verb in present simple. Currently I work in this case it's kind of the opposite. We are missing I am. I am currently working on a feature. I specialize in the Python. We do not need any articles before programming language names, so I specialize in Python. I responsible for the API, the same logic. I am responsible for the API. Responsible, that's an adjective. That's a description of someone. So we need to use am, is, are before these adjectives. And we are use React. The same logic as in the first one, yep. We do not need am is are before verbs in present simple, so it's just simply we use React. And a little quick check. Pause the video, take your time, choose the correct form, and then we are going to check. I'm giving you 20 seconds to do that. Take your time, please. Well, your time's over. So, she works as a QA engineer at a product company. Wonderful. Right now we are building a new microservices architecture. He specializes. Yep, I am currently contributing. Our team uses Jira. Wonderful, wonderful. And in here you have a little speaking challenge and questions. So, as for speaking challenge, could you please create your own personal introduction in 6-8 sentences? Yeah. And in the comments, could you introduce yourself as a developer in 3-4 sentences? Tell us your role, your stack, and what you're currently working on. Of course, if it's not under NDA, right? And when it comes to workbook, I am not showing you workbook in this video. You can find the workbook in our Telegram channel, the 13th stance, right? You can scan this QR code or you can type out in Telegram channel this name and you will find us. Well, you guys, thank you so much for coming here. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I really hope to see you next time. Stay safe.